Hey. Hey guys. Hello everyone. My name is Anthony, and today I'm starting a series of streams where we will be building a startup until it has 100 users. Inspired in this guy, Amin Baheri, who's building his startup until he becomes rich. I think he's doing an iOS app. We will be building an web app, and I will open the repo here in VS Code. We'll start the server. So first, what I am building? I am building Retest. It's an A/B testing platform for quick product teams. In case you don't know, let's see what's A/B testing. Okay. A/B testing is a way to ensure you're launching a product that users want, that users love. So let's suppose we have a website, and we want to know what of these two variations of the landing page should we launch to production. So with an A/B test, we will do the following. We have the two variations, and we give that variations to a couple of users. For example, we could give variation A to 1,000 users and the B to other 1,000 users, and we can start collecting data such as sign-ups or purchases, time screen on the landing page, and so on. So currently there are no easy solutions for product teams who wants to implement A/B tests in their web applications. So that's what we're building. We're building this web application, and users can create their experiments. An experiment could be, for example, a landing page experiment. A description that's optional, and we can establish the duration of the experiment. For example, let's say we will start at 13 o'clock today. We will be finishing that experiment in 2 weeks at 13 o'clock too. And so our experiment is 14 days long. We can choose our sample size. Later on we will be defining our variations, but first we want to establish a sample size. It could be relative or absolute. For example, it could be relative to the 5% of users, or it could be absolute. Let's say 1,000 users. So let's say it's 1,000 users, and we can create the experiment. An experiment is created, and we have the experiment here in our landing page, and we want to click somewhere here in this card and be redirected to a page like this, where we can define our metrics, and then we can define our variations. Let's hard code this. I think we could. No, we don't have the ID, but I'm using Zeta as a database. We can simply open the database and see the last element created. So here, and we can paste the ID here, and here it is, our landing page experiment. We can add a metric. It could be one of conversion, duration, or call type. For example, a call type could be, for example, sign up. Let's say a user sign ups to our application. So this metric will be called in our application every time a user sign ups. There are other types or metrics. For example, duration. We can say, for example, I don't know, screen time in the landing page. And for each user, we want to capture how much time he or she is in our landing page. And last but not least, there are conversion types. For example, let's say we are measuring how many products are in the shopping bag of a session. So we can say shopping bag size, for example. We can create that, and that's it. This is stored in the database, and what follows is create the menu that lets users create their variations. So now we are building that. We are building the UI and the backend logic to handle the creation of variations for experiment. Yeah, but we had a little book here. We want to be able to click here and be redirected to the single experiment page. So first, let's do that. Okay. So okay, in the experiments page, We're using Next.js 14 now, I think. Yeah, Next.js 14, and we're using the app directory. Mm, so we're using we can define our components and export them in a page.tsx file, and it will be a route. So we are in the app slash experiments route, app experiments page, and we have our landing page upcoming events component that is referenced here, and it is a suspense. It is wrapped by a suspense component, so we can fetch them server side. In the future, I'm considering to switch that to client components and use fetch the experiments client side with gRPC, but for now it is server rendered. Okay, so here we have uh, this async component called upcoming experiments, and we want to we want it to be a link. So in here and hmm, I think we could do even better. I mean, I was thinking that I can use a link here in the experiment name, but we can we can create a component wrapping this logic, and yeah, and conditionally render the colors, because right now the colors are green for past experiments, mm, gray or black for upcoming experiments, and the running experiments are yellow. So let's create a single component to wrap that. Here I can see I want to hear me.
Hey guys, hello everyone. My name is Anthony, and today I'm starting a series of streams.
Okay, wait. So now I'm testing the microphone running with NVIDIA Broadcast Noise Removal Effect. So let's hear me.
Okay, wait, so now I am testing my video broadcast. So
Okay, the two experiments, the two effects. I think it looks great. So, okay. Uh, I'm okay. So We are coding now. Single component to component called experiment card, I think.
Okay. So we're coding.
Let's say it's const experiment card. It will. Hmm. I'm importing the experiment type from Zeta, and I don't think other experiment record. I think experiment record. Okay, and this is experiment record. Hmm. Here, I think that's the code. We can import directly the ID, the name, um, get random int. I think that's here. Function get random int. Sample size absolute. Mm, stream ended at is the date we're choosing here. Uh, when the experiment will end. And started at also. Format distance. And that's all I think. And we want to, okay, we want to render some specific color conditionally. So I think we could wrap this with cyan. And we can, um, let's say what's UI. I think I want to write the logic to render that. Hmm. Create something like this with CBA. Yeah. Let's say const experiment variance. Yeah, we could do something like that, but for a deep. Or interface. I think we can say this. Okay. And now, what are the variants? We have past experiments, upcoming, and active, right? Uh, well, active. Mm, our active experiments are border primary and okay, active. And we also have past experiments. And the past experiments right now are green. Hmm. Semaphore. Okay. In a semaphore. No, I don't think. Fine. Okay. I think we could change a bit, and right now the upcoming events could be green, and the past events could be a bit dark. Let's see how it goes. Okay. So let's see again how we build this class name. Then variant part variant variant size and class name. Here we only have our variant. React. Mm, yeah, HTML. I think can say something like React. Mm, no, I think that's a problem with the ID variant. active, upcoming, past, known, or undefined. Hmm. Okay. Okay. I think this will work now. Uh, um. Hmm. But depending on the variant, we are calculating we're showing different strengths here. For example, in the active events, we are showing it ends in 1 day. Upcoming events, it starts in 1 day. Past experiments ended in, yeah. So let's change that. So ended up. Okay. So past and the active events, I mean active experiments, are calculated with ended at, but upcoming events with started at. Hmm. We can do that. Yeah. Upcoming with started. Variant coming. Else with ended at. Hmm. Yeah. And the message starts, ended, ends. Hmm. If variant is active, it will be ends. Hmm. Ends, starts, ends, and yeah. First active, ends. Okay. If variant is active, the message will be ends. Else, if variant is upcoming, the message will be starts. And otherwise, the message will be ended. I don't like this logic. let's. I think with Copilot I could improve that. Improve that. Mm, mm, okay. That. I think we could use this. Experiment status with variant. Okay, let's test this. So we have experiment and we want to import experiment card and an ID and the variant. It will be, in this case, active. We don't need a children here. What's your name? Someone. What's the error here? Data. Right. Okay, here we are like spreading, I think. Spreading the data of each experiment inside this experiment card component, and let's see how it goes. Okay, it works as expected. Let's test with upcoming events. We don't need that. Experiment card. Variant upcoming and spread experiment. Look, look, look. Okay, I don't like that. And okay, now upcoming events is green. Let's change past experiments. Delete all of this. Rename it to experiment card. Import experiment card. Delete the class name and we have variant path and that and look, and I think this should work. Yeah, now experiments are black and all of them redirect to a single page. Okay. We can create a metric here. Blah blah. And that's all. And I don't think so. Mm, okay, then let's hear how it's going. Okay, so I think I'll stop the stream here, and we'll be back in a couple of hours.